the KR Collective, the information she shares, the items that she gives you, when you walk away with everything you need, in one word, to execute. See, we can come to as many collectives and listen to as much as we want, but Kathy's goal for us is to take what we've learned today and execute. So listen, do yourself a favor. Do not miss it. The very next collective, you should be first to sign up because, again, you just won't regret it. It's a phenomenal event. Kathy, thank you, thank you, thank you.